The governor is expected to put pen to paper on a new law that aims to address skyrocketing homeowners insurance rates by reducing litigation.
But as Jake Stofan tells us, part of the deal also allows Florida's insurer of last resort to raise rates year over year at a higher pace than in the past.
Citizens Insurance offers coverage to Floridians who can't find or can't afford private coverage, but roughly 5,000 Floridians are flocking to Citizens each week.
That type of growth is unsustainable.
Citizen spokesperson Michael Peltier says that's why lawmakers are allowing the company to go beyond its 10% annual rate increase cap.
That's going to allow us to close that gap, in some cases with private carriers, that are so that more customers can find their insurance in the private market.
Even with the reforms in the bill attempting to reduce the cost of litigation, which insurance companies blame for driving exorbitant rate increases, rates are still expected to increase in the short term for both Citizens and private insurers. Democratic State Senator Gary Farmer says because efforts to guarantee rate reductions in the bill were rejected, the reforms only stand to benefit insurance companies.
All it's going to do is enable insurance companies to be more bold and aggressive in denying and underpaying claims.
But supporters maintain in the long run, the reforms in the bill will prevent what otherwise would be a catastrophe.
In absence of this bill passing, you could see rates double within the next 2 to 3 years. Rate increases of 30 or 40% are going to become common over the next 2 years if we do nothing.
The cap on Citizens' annual rate increases will grow by 1% each year until reaching a maximum of 15% in 2026. Reporting from the state capitol, Jake Stofan, Channel 4, the local station.
And when approved by the governor, claimants will have to pay their own attorney's fees if they settle a claim for less than 20% of the insurer's initial offer. The bill also prohibits solicitation by contractors who have often offered gifts to homeowners in exchange for the ability to inspect roofs and make claims with insurance companies.